Nobody tells you this, but the World Book Fair can either be the best day of your year or a crowded, sweaty nightmare where you spend all your money and regret everything. So, if you're planning to go to the World Book Fair in 2026, stop scrolling and watch this video till the very end. Hi, I'm Smriti, and I have been to the World Book Fair enough times to tell you what actually matters. And no, we are not talking about the romanticized version here or the aesthetic reels. This is a real guide, no sugarcoating. Okay, let's start from the very basics because if you're a first timer, this actually matters. So, what exactly is the World Book Fair? The New Delhi World Book Fair is one of the biggest book fairs in the world, and it's been happening for the past 50 years. Publishers from all over India and all over the world come together here. This year it's happening from 10th to 18th January at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, and it covers halls 2 to 6. And the best part is entry is free this time. इस बार टिकट्स का कोई झंझट नहीं है. You know what? सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस मुझे यही आते हैं कि स्मृति हाउ मच आर द टिकट्स फॉर, वेयर डू वी गेट द टिकट्स ऑनलाइन लेने हैं कि ऑफलाइन लेने हैं. तो इस बार टिकट्स की कोई टेंशन नहीं है, विच इज़ ग्रेट, बट इट ऑल्सो मीन्स कि बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउडेड होने वाला है, तो प्लान स्मार्ट. नाउ हाउ डू यू एक्चुअली रीच देयर विदाउट लूजिंग योर सैनिटी? इट्स actually very simple, trust me on this. Take the metro, use the blue line, get down at the Supreme Court metro station and just follow the crowd. Okay, there will be barricades, volunteers, signboards. You won't get lost, trust me. आराम से मिल जाएगा आपको. Also, quick update, I'll be at the fair from 10th to 12th. So if you see me around, come say hi. I promise I'm nice in real life. Now let's talk about what you do when you enter the book fair, because this is the part where most people mess up. और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा confusing होता है. First of all, don't try to cover all the halls in one day. Trust me, you'll hate yourself. I have tried and tested and मैं अभी तक भूल नहीं पाई हूँ वो experience. It will get overwhelming and it will get messed up. It will mess with your brain. आप सोचोगे कि मैंने क्या किया ये और क्यों किया. आप कोई भी हॉल अच्छे से कवर नहीं कर पाओगे और you are going to hate yourself for the rest of the day, for the rest of the month, for the rest of the year. If you're a fiction reader, start with the halls that have trade publishers and indie publishers. If you're a student, exam prep and academic publishers deserve their own day. Now let's talk about all the famous publishing houses because I know you want to know about them. So first of all, yes, they are crowded. If you're thinking of going to Penguin, Bloomsbury, Simon, they are crowded. बहुत ही ज़्यादा crowded होते हैं. So please prepare yourself. By the way, if you come to Bloomsbury, please come say hi because that is where I'll be. I would also recommend you to not skip small publishing houses because trust me, some of the best finds are at the stalls that you have never heard of. कभी कभी आपको वहाँ ऐसी बुक्स मिल जाएंगी जो आपको पूरी जिंदगी भर याद रहेंगी. तो स्मॉल पब्लिशिंग हाउसेस को भी मिस मत करना. When should you go? First of all, avoid weekends if you can. अगर आप पर weekdays पे टाइम है तो weekdays पर जाओ, weekends पर मत जाओ. If you're going on weekdays, then I would recommend you to go early morning. But if you're going on weekends, then please do yourself a favor और रात को ही जाना around the time जब book fair close होने वाला हो. Because this is what I did last year and it did not disappoint. Last year I went on a Sunday I guess और इतना ज़्यादा crowded था. I'll show you guys all the clips of my last year visit and a year before that at the end of the video, तो वो check कर लेना. But it was very crowded last year. But last year I visited it with my cousins और मैं रात को गई थी जब book fair बंद ही होने वाला था और crowded था but उतना ज़्यादा नहीं. तो if you're planning to go during the weekdays, आप कोशिश करना आप सुबह जाओ, and if you're planning to go during weekends, आप रात को ही जाना. Now the next question is, what kind of books will you find? ये बहुत ही stupid question है because we know you are going to find everything there. Fiction books, non-fiction books, academic books, international publishers, indie publishers, सब कुछ मिलेगा आपको जो आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा. जैसी बुक्स आपने कभी देखी नहीं होंगी, सुना ही नहीं होगा उनके बारे में, हर टाइप की बुक आपको वहाँ मिलेगी. नाउ द क्वेश्चन जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बार पूछा जाता है, आर द बुक्स अफोर्डेबल देयर और चीप देयर? एंड ट्रुथ टू बी टोल्ड, कुछ ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं होता है प्राइजेस में. मोस्ट स्टॉल्स ऑफर 10 to 60% डिस्काउंट डिपेंडिंग ऑन द पब्लिशर्स, बट ज़्यादातर पब्लिशिंग हाउसेज में डिस्काउंट नहीं होता है. जिस टाइप की बुक्स आपको चाहिए होंगी, अगर आप सोच रहे हो आपको हार्ड कवर्स पे डिस्काउंट मिलेगा तो नहीं मिलता है. बट अगर आप पब्लिशिंग हाउसेज में जा रहे हो ये सोच कर कि आपको 80 to 90% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा, तो वो नहीं होने वाला है. प्लीज़ कैश कैरी करना. ऑल्सो UPI डजंट वर्क, वहाँ पे नेटवर्क्स नहीं आते हैं. I remember one time I was just stuck there trying to do the payment, but मेरा UPI चला ही नहीं, so I had to borrow some money from my friend और तब जाके मैंने पेमेंट करी है. If you're like me and you are very dependent on your UPI, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. आई वुड एक्चुअली रिकमेंड यू, आप जो पैसे वहाँ खर्च करने वाले हो उसको कैश में ही लाना. प्लीज पूरा यूपीआई के भरोसे मत आना. नाउ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टू कैरी. ओके, प्लीज कैरी अ वाटर बॉटल, अ टोट बैग और अ बैकपैक एंड अ पावर बैंक. ये 3 चीज़ तो कैरी करना ही. एंड प्लीज वेयर कंफर्टेबल शूज. प्लीज डोंट बी एन idiot like me and go there in heels. I was stupid enough to once wear heels to the fair and I was literally hating myself and I was ready to give up because I just couldn't walk in them. So please don't be like me and wear some comfortable shoes because you will be walking a lot. बहुत ही ज़्यादा चलने के लिए है तो बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल शूज़ पहनना. वेयर अ कंफर्टेबल आउटफिट जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल फील करो. एंड अ पब्लिक सर्विस अनाउंसमेंट, ज़्यादा हैवी हैंडबैग्स कैरी मत करना, you'll regret it. Last but not the least, yes, food and washrooms are available, but please manage your expectations. I haven't tried the food there, so I cannot comment. कुछ बोल नहीं सकती हूँ मैं, but I have tried the washrooms and they are quite decent. But again, I'll tell you, please manage your expectations and you'll be very happy. If there's one thing I've learned in life, it's that please एक्सपेक्टेशंस कम ही रखो. जितनी कम एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखोगे उतने ज़्यादा सुखी रहोगे, उतने ज़्यादा खुश रहोगे. तो प्लीज़ मैनेज योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. सो या दैट्स इट. टेक breaks, sit down, drink enough water, stay hydrated. You don't have to romanticize everything. If you're a creator like me, you don't need to film everything. थोड़ा बहुत फिल्म करने से भी चलेगा. Just take care of your health because health first. बाकी सब चीज़ें बाद में आती हैं. Also, before I answer the main question, is it really worth it? Here are a few glimpses from my previous visits so you can see for yourself what it really looks like. So I have reached the Supreme Court metro station. Like I told you guys in my previous vlog that this is how you're supposed to, reach the destination where the World Book Fair is happening. So I'm currently at the Supreme Court metro station and now I'm just going to the book fair pedal because it's like a walking distance from here. I have decided that today I'm going to visit hall number 6, hall number 3 to 6. So we are here. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Now answering your question, is the World Book Fair really worth it? So yes, a million times yes. If you come prepared, अच्छे से सारी तैयारी कर you are going to love this. If you are a reader, if you love to be around books, if you love to be around people who love books, you are going to love it here. And I think एक बार तो आना ही चाहिए. इट्स वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस. अगर आप बार बार ना आना चाहो बट एक बार आपको विजिट ज़रूर करना चाहिए. सो या दैट्स इट. डू लेट मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, विल यू बी विजिटिंग दिस ईयर और नॉट, एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ perks will you be looking for, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.